Are you one of the PT test takers? Are you not sure where to practice from? We are finally launching PTE Portal. Vision Language Experts has launched PTE Portal. We already have 1000 plus students using our portal. This portal will give you access to the unlimited questions which are recently exam questions. This will ensure that when you practice them, there is a high chance that you will get the same questions in the exam, and obviously it will help you to get better marks. You will get instant feedback on the summaries, on the essays you are doing, so that you know that where you're making a mistake. You will also get one free mock test. Yes, this mock test will be evaluated by the AI and will also be evaluated by me personally. I'll be giving you guys detailed feedback with the score report. Will also tell you where you need to focus more. If you're interested and if you're going to give your PT exam soon, you need to check out Vision Language Experts portal. Just go to www.visionlanguageexperts.com.au and sign up over there, and you can get unlimited access to the practice free of cost. Thank you guys, all the best.